Kasi gusto ko lang sabihin na Rocco kasi simula nanalo ka last week, hindi na nagpapabaya. Kasi may pressure na sa'yo ngayon eh. Congrats brother, kasi nakikita mo yung consistent na match.
Meron kasing ganun eh, yung sa bawat gagawin, uy, kaya niya. Sa dalawang episode na nagawa natin,
Alamat siya. Ito na. Siguradong nabitin kayo doon. But don't worry, marami pang nakareservang pasabog ang ibang dance stars natin. The dance battle will be...
Welcome back to my world. This time it's going to be more intimate, personal, and honest. All of them will be Are you ready to step in?
Hard Work Story, March 7th, Saturday, 9:30 p.m.